a variety of food and non-food crops are also grown in India. So let us now look at some of the major food crops of India. So let us start with the three food crops. First is rice, wheat and then maize. Let us see what are the requirements for the growth of rice. Rice is basically a kharif crop which we have already studied just now, and it is the staple food crop of India. That means most people use rice as their staple food. India is the second largest producer of rice after China. China is the first largest producer, and the rice requires more than 25 degree of temperature. That means high temperature is required for the growth of rice. High humidity is also required. That means more moisture is required, and rainfall required for the growth of rice is above 100 centimeter. And in those areas where 100 centimeter rainfall is not there or less than 100 centimeter is there also rice can be grown, but can be grown with the help of irrigation. Now we have already seen that Punjab, Haryana are some of the areas where rice is grown as commercial crops. Though there is no much rainfall there, but even then their crops are grown with the help of irrigation. Now, in those places where heavy rainfall is there, like north and northeast parts of India, coastal areas, deltaic region, these are having fertile soil, and so it is good for the growth of rice. Then in those areas where less rainfall is there, with the help of irrigation, and that to canal irrigation, it is possible to grow rice. So dense network of canal irrigation and tube wells have helped the growth of rice in states like Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan. So these are the 4 to 5 points especially which you have to remember about rice. The temperature required, the rainfall required, the areas where it is grown, and what type of soil or region it is grown. Then let us come to the second important food crop, that is wheat. Wheat is the second important cereal crop of India. That means after rice, the second most consumed food item or food crop is wheat. And wheat is the main food crop of northern and northwestern part of India. People of northern and northwestern part of India eat more wheat. And wheat is grown in Rabi season. That also we have just now seen that it is sown in winter. So Rabi, since it is sown in winter, that means it requires a cool growing season. So Rabi crop or wheat requires cool growing season, and it does not require as much rainfall as is required by rice. It requires only 50 to 75 centimeter of rainfall, and during the time of ripening, it requires bright sunshine. Then the Ganga Satluj plains in northwest areas are the major areas where wheat is grown. Then black soil in Deccan is also area where wheat is grown. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, parts of Madhya Pradesh are the areas where Rabi crop or wheat is grown. Of course, there are some states where rice is also grown and wheat is also grown. So Punjab, Haryana and UP, Rajasthan, these states grow both wheat and rice. Now, another important food crop in India is maize. So maize is used both as food crop and fodder. Fodder means given to animals as food. And maize is also a kharif crop. Mostly it is a kharif crop, but in some places it is grown in Rabi season also. Like in Bihar it is a Rabi crop, while in rest of the India it is a kharif crop. And maize requires 21 degree to 27 degrees Celsius of temperature, and it requires old alluvial soil. You have studied in 9th standard about old alluvium and new alluvium, Bhangar and Khadar. So old alluvium is the Bhangar, So that type of soil is required for the growth of maize. And with the help of use of modern inputs like HYV seeds, fertilizers and modern methods of irrigation, we are able to increase the production of maize in India. And Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh are the major states where maize is grown. So minimum 5 features of all these 3 crops you should remember.